Hello everyone. Very good afternoon. Are you able to hear me? Let me unmute everyone please. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. So
Good
very
afternoon.
good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
So who we have? We have Slesha, we have Yashwant, Dhruv, Gauri, Asta, Vallabh. Welcome. Okay. How are you everyone? All good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All good.
Good. So we started yesterday with quadratic equation. Today we are going to do one of the most amazing thing of quadratic equation, and if you understand this, you will be very happy because those kind of questions you get in your tough competitive exams. So though your board exams or for any competitive exam, you should be very crystal clear about the concept, right? You always know that is the main thing. So this concept will help you to do many things faster and also do good for competitive exams. Tell me everybody, okay, on chat, a quadratic equation has how many roots? A quadratic equation,
Two, sir.
correct. Any quadratic equation will have two roots. Now today we are going to learn, okay, roots or zeros. So we'll interchangeably use both of them. Two roots it will have, right? Highest power two roots will have. Now, today we are going to learn without solving the equation how to find nature of roots. When I say nature of roots means I'll give a category. See, in your mind you should just, it's not about solving. In your mind you put a visualization ki what can be categories. First category can be roots can be equal. It can happen that both roots are equal, right? Or it can happen that both the roots are distinct, mean different value. Both roots are not exactly same value. So one category roots are equal or roots are distinct. Another category is roots are real, roots are imaginary, roots are complex. It can also happen that if roots are real, it can be rational roots or it can be irrational root. Now before I go to all of this, I want to ask you a couple of very basic and interesting questions. Please everybody answer me either on chat or on audio. Okay, take a photo of this. And we are going to learn all of this, everything in mind. You can do very easily. So tell me, what do you mean by rational and irrational? Anybody who want to explain me? What is rational and irrational?
Rational numbers are those which are written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers.
Very good. Give me example.
Sir, 25 by 4,
Give me one example of irrational.
root 3 or root 2.
Got everybody? Everybody's clear? Slesha, Asta, Gauri. Rational, irrational root, everybody knows. Rational numbers, irrational numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody know about imaginary, though imaginary numbers you get in your Asta, non-terminate, non-recurring is property, you are right. But as of now, we don't have to go that deep. Main thing is what are rational, irrational numbers, you are right. Now, imaginary numbers are class 11 topic. But how many of you know what are imaginary numbers? Slesha, any idea imaginary numbers, complex numbers?
Sir, which are not there, but we know, imagine, we just imagine them.
Okay, we just imagine. Okay, anybody else? Gauri?
Sir,
Asta, tell
root
me.
-1.
So the problem, okay, I'll tell you one briefly before we do this. Suppose if I say find square root of -4. So tell me, Slesha, tell me, Gauri, tell me, Vallabh, tell me, Dhruv, anybody of you, what is square root of -4?
So 2 into -2.
But Slesha doesn't work like that. Square root means both the numbers should be same, right? 2 and -2 are not same, right?
Sir, so they are complex and imaginary.
So square root of -4 is not possible unless you define a new type of number which are known as complex number or imaginary number.
Hello, sir.
So imaginary number is given, 1 second, imaginary number is given by I. Yes, tell me please.
Sir, what did you say in the last 10-15 seconds?
What I said is, what are the imaginary numbers? Why we need imaginary numbers? Because if you take a square root of, Yashwant, this we take a square root of -4. It is not possible by natural numbers or rational numbers or irrational. It is not possible by real numbers. Correct, Slesha? -4. Square
Yes,
root
sir.
of any negative number is not possible with real numbers. So that's why we define something called imaginary number, which is given by I. I is given by root of -1. This is not part of this course. You learn in class 11th anyway. But imaginary numbers means I is defined as imaginary number iota, which is given equal to root of -1 is I. So now if I have to find the square root of -4, -4 I'll write as 4 into -1. Correct?
Yes.
Square root of 4 is 2 or plus minus 2. Square root of -1 is I. So square root of -4 is 2I. Okay, Gauri, Slesha, yeah, Gauri said, Yashwant said, Asta said, Slesha, Vallabh, right? So it is imaginary number, 2I. So really doesn't exist, but for calculation purpose we take it. So 2I is an imaginary number. For example, when I say 3 plus 4I. So if you see the really, this is the real part. This is the imaginary part. Both together is known as complex number. Real part and imaginary part both together is known as complex numbers. And if you have only imaginary number, like say -2I, it's an imaginary number. 3I, it's an imaginary number. 45I, it's an imaginary number. If you put real part also there, say 7 minus 2I, 4 minus 3I, this all become your complex number, because real and imaginary together are known as complex number. That is the meaning of. Is everyone CC? Because we are going to use it for nature of roots. It is not part of your syllabus, guys. Your syllabus is only talk about real numbers, but we are going to cover both. Okay? Is everyone CC? Please write. So now we are going to talk about how to find nature of roots without solving the equation. See how easy it is. How easy it is. First you understand it, then write it. As we talked about, if this is my standard equation, ax squared, and after that you take a screenshot, bx plus c equal to 0. This is my standard form of equation, right, everybody? And everybody knows the root of this equation is given by -b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now I'm going to do something with this here, and you are going to love it. Book doesn't explain so clearly. Visualization. -b plus minus b square. This we already did yesterday, right? Root of quadratic equation by quadratic formula is given by x equal to -b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now how we find nature of roots? Okay, our objective is we have to find roots are equal and distinct, equal or distinct, or real, irrational, imaginary, what? You know what you have to do is, you have to always focus on only one thing. This. We call it D, determinant, for example. Just focus on b square minus 4ac. That's it. Now I'll give you example, okay? I'll give you example of many equations. Suppose my equation I am going to write in the right, in the red, in the left side. Suppose my equation is like this: x square, say minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. And don't solve the equation, guys. I'll ask you only answer this on audio. Don't answer me on chat, answer me on audio. X, what is A, B, C here? A is 1.
Minus
B is -4.
and 4.
C is 4. No, we are not going to solve the equation. Just using b square minus 4ac, we'll find out nature of roots. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac.
16 minus.
Now tell me
16.
what will be your b square minus 4ac? How much is
16
b?
minus 16. 16
Okay.
minus 16.
Okay. So b is how much? -4. So that is 16. minus 4 into 1 into 4.
4.
16 minus
16.
16, 0. So what is happening? B square minus 4 is
Yes.
equal to.
Zeros are
And
the
guys,
roots are
understand. Listen. Wait, Slesha. Guys, it's imagine when you get b square minus 4 is equal to 0. B square minus we call it determinant. When this is 0, what will happen? This part will go, right?
yes.
So what will happen? This part will go, means plus minus also will go, right? So what is remaining now? Minus b by 2a.
4 upon t equal to 2.
So root will be minus b. No. Slesha, not about this question. What I'm trying to explain is the concept. Slesha, don't go in maths. Go what I'm trying to visualize. So x will be equal to only minus b by 2a. So it will have two roots or one same, both equal roots. Because there is no plus minus. There is nothing like minus b plus something or minus b minus something. Plus minus thing is gone. So only thing remaining is minus b by 2a. Whatever value of b and a, whatever in the world, you will get only equal roots, right?
Yes.
You will not get different roots, right? Any value of b and a here, you get only same roots. So in this case, your roots will be equal and real. Because there is imaginary part comes only when there is square root of negative. Since this square root self is going back, there is no imaginary, no complex, nothing. Everything is real. And because your whole square root part is becoming 0, only part remain is minus b by 2a. So your root will always be equal. Both the roots will always be equal. For in this case, what is roots? Minus b. So b is minus 4, so minus plus 4 by 2a. So 2 into 1, 2. So plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. It means your both the roots are equal to 2. Two roots are there, but both are equal to 2. So we have not solved the equation. We have directly said, so only thing is the moment you see b square minus 4ac value, if it is equal to 0, you can say, sir, roots are equal. That's it. Got it? Just by b square minus 4ac, you can find out my roots are equal or distinct. Here we found out roots are equal. Let's do the case number 2 now. I'm going to remove some part here. Okay. If I give a question like this, suppose, say, guys, don't write as of now, just understand it, and then I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. X square, say, minus 5x plus 6. Again, don't solve the equation. What is a here? 1. What is b here? Minus 5. What is c here? 6. Let's calculate b square minus 4ac now. B square minus
25 minus 26.
4ac. कितना आएगा? B square is 25. Minus 4 into A to C is 24. कितना आएगा?
1.
1. So, when your B square minus 4ac is more than 0, when it is more than 0, you will always get a distinct root. I mean, you get two roots but different, always. Whenever b square minus 4ac is not 0, is it more than 0 or less than 0? You will always get a distinct root without any problem. Cases the rules are distinct, two different roots. Now, which type of roots are there? It will decide based on if it is coming is greater than 0. Your root will always be real. Root will always be real if it is b square minus 4ac is more than 0. Always real roots. If it is less than 0, it will not be real. I'll come to that. But first is, if your b square minus 4ac is more than 0, roots are real. Now in real also we have two conditions. Will it be rational or irrational? Depending on, you got 1. When you get square root of 1, square root of 1 is what? Is it rational or irrational?
Rational.
Rational. So you'll get rational root. अगर ये 1 नहीं होता, suppose ये 7 होता, then you will get irrational root. That's it. So करना क्या है? B square minus 4ac is more than 0. Yes. Roots are distinct. Roots are real. Okay. Which roots are rational or irrational? Depending upon how much we are getting the determinant. Are we getting this value which is perfect square or not a perfect square? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा यू विल ऑलवेज गेट रैशनल, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा यू विल गेट इरैशनल. क्लियर एवरीवन? इज एवरीवन क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Roots are distinct but real. And take the third condition when, forget this, when your b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When your b square minus 4ac is less than 0, मतलब कि this is negative. सोचो अगर ये पार्ट नेगेटिव हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? You in the square root will get the negative part, right? In the square root get negative part. What is square root of negative? It's an imaginary number, right? So when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will get distinct roots, but you get imaginary or complex root. अगर less than 0 हो रहा है तो suppose ये b square minus 4ac तुम्हारा आ रहा है -5. Suppose, then you will have complex root because it will not be real. In your syllabus for class 10th, it's only about real roots. They don't talk about in your syllabus imaginary complex root. But you should know कि b square minus 4ac, we do the examples. b square minus 4ac अगर less than 0 हो रहा है, then roots are distinct, but roots are complex. And the last condition is, in what case the root will be imaginary? Root will be imaginary only when your b equal to 0. Check how. Let's see. Let me write it again. If I write this equation, say, x squared plus 9 equal to 0. What is A here? 1. What is B here? 0. What is C here? 9. Correct? Check what will be b square minus 4ac, guys. B square, I am going to give you a lot of questions today after this. B square minus 4ac is how much? B is 0. So 0 is minus 4 into A into C, 36. 0 minus 36. So it is coming as minus 36. It is coming less than 0, correct? Your whole b square minus 4ac is coming as less than 0. Means you will have complex or imaginary root. But b is 0. So you get imaginary root. Let's check. So how will solve? Let's substitute here. X equal to minus b. So b is 0, so 0. Plus minus. रूट के अंदर क्या आएगा? b square minus 4ac, which is minus 36, right everybody? By 2a, so 2. तो चला गया, 0 तो चला गया, plus minus. Root of minus 36 is what? 6i plus minus by 2. So your roots are 3i and minus 3i. That's it. See, the roots are complex or imaginary only? We are getting 3i and minus 3i. Two distinct roots, but imaginary roots. Not the complex root, because real part is 0. Now we are going to solve many questions. You have to just tell me the nature of the roots. You will not solve it. You will tell me, sir, roots will be real, distinct, what. Okay. Let's quickly try a few questions. Is everyone okay? Shall we solve very quick questions, and now everybody will get the answer on the chat. You will tell me nature of the roots only without solving it. Let's solve. Find the nature of roots. Equation. We are going to solve 5 quick questions. 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. You tell me the roots are equal or distinct? The roots are real or imaginary and rational or irrational. Solve quickly and tell me on this. in your syllabus, when the roots are not real, they just say no real roots. They don't talk about complex and imaginary. You can directly say no real roots if you get it, no real roots. So let's solve here. A is 2, B is -4, C is 3. So
Sir, it's coming imaginary.
exactly, B square, not imaginary but complex.
Yes, sir.
B square minus 4AC is, B square is 16, minus 4 into 2, 12 into 3, 36. It is coming as how much? -20, right?
Yes, sir.
So root will be distinct and complex. But in your syllabus, even if you don't write like this, you can write like this. You know what you will write? You will say no real.
Sir, but 4AC will be 24, right?
ठीक है 24 कर दो. Doesn't matter. मैंने minus है. ठीक है, it's okay Asta now. We are not finding the roots Asta. We are trying to find out the nature of roots. So focus on this part. Okay, everybody. So roots are in your syllabus. You can write no real roots also. But when you go higher level in class 11, 12, you have to say roots are distinct and complex. Okay, everyone. Okay. Next question. If I change this, let me erase this. If I say 2x square minus 3x plus 5, अब क्या होगा? Quickly बताओ जल्दी से. Fast. Oral question है सभी. Nature of roots. Dhruv, क्या होने वाला है इसमें?
Sir, 1 second.
Yes.
Sir, it is less than 0.
Is it less than 0 again?
Sir, it's
Yes, sir.
complex.
What is happening again? Again is coming. Okay. So let's check. B square, B, okay. A is 2, B is -3, C is 5, B square minus 4AC is, B square is 9, -4, 2, 8, 5, 40, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
-31. So again, you will say no real roots. Good. I am surprised, but it's okay. Next question. What if I say 2x square minus 6x plus 3? Tell me, guys, what is the nature of roots now?
Sir, now it's real number.
So tell me, is it distinct root or equal root? Is it rational root or irrational root? And I'll tell you how to write it then. I'll tell you the method to write it. So, Slesha, tell me what is A, Slesha?
A is 2,
What
B
is
is
B?
-6,
And C is?
3.
So, B square
square.
minus 4AC. What is B square?
36.
Minus
Minus,
4 into A into C. 4 to
20.
12, 36.
36, yes.
So, B square minus 4AC is 0. So, natural roots will be equal and
Rational.
real roots. Equal and real rational roots. You can say that is a better way of saying. You have to also say, Yashwant, real roots, but equal. Equal is very important. Equal or distinct. Okay, Yashwant? And everybody, you have to say roots are equal or distinct. And you have to say real or complex. And if it is real, it is rational or irrational. So you'll say equal and real rational root, or you'll say equal and real irrational root. Let's try one more. Dhruv, you will solve this question with me, okay?
Okay, sir.
X square minus 9x plus 5. I just randomly am doing it. Tell me what kind of roots will be there. Solve with me directly. Tell me what you will do. A is
B square is 1.
B is
-9.
C is
5.
okay. B square is
81.
well, take your time. Minus 4 into A into C.
Sir, are
81.
different.
4. Wait, Slesha, let him do. So 4 into A into C कितना होगा ध्रुव?
4 into 5, that is 20.
20.
Sir, it's
कितना आ रहा है?
81 actually.
80. What is happening to my maths? Okay, 81 minus 20. Then
61.
कैसा रूट आएगा?
61.
इक्वल आएगा कि डिस्टिंक्ट आएगा?
Sir,
क्या हुआ?
actually got confused on what is distinct.
डिस्टिंक्ट मतलब अलग अलग. अच्छा गाइस, इक्वल और अनइक्वल. इक्वल मतलब दोनों रूट सेम है, डिस्टिंक्ट मतलब अलग अलग है. तो 61 आया मतलब ग्रेटर देन 0 आया ना. 61 आया मतलब क्या है? मोर देन 0 है, राइट?
Yes, sir. So
अगर
distinct.
इक्वल टू 0 होगा तो इक्वल रूट्स है, लेकिन
Oh,
हमारा मोर देन 0 आया है तो हम बोलेंगे डिस्टिंक्ट. डिस्टिंक्ट मतलब कि दो अलग अलग रूट है.
yes, sir. Distinct and real and rational roots.
रेशनल नहीं होगा. 61 का रूट तो इरेशनल होता है ना.
Oh, yes, sir. Irrational.
Irrational roots. Okay, Dhruv, and everybody, you have to write answer like that: distinct and real irrational roots. Nobody is writing full, so I want everyone to write full this time. Okay? Thank you, Dhruv.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. I want everyone to write, guys. Everyone means everyone. 3x square minus 10x plus 2. Tell me, everybody, nature of roots for this. Everybody solve. I'll wait for you. And then Vallabh will solve. Okay? First everybody solve, then Vallabh will explain me. Okay, Vallabh?
Yes, sir.
And write all the three things. इक्वल है या डिस्टिंक्ट है, मतलब इक्वल है या अनइक्वल है. दूसरा रियल है कि इमेजिनरी, और तीसरा रेशनल है कि इरेशनल. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज क्लियरली स्पेसिफाई. Ready? Shlesha says distinct and irrational. And Shlesha, you have to say distinct and irrational real roots. Guys, there are three things. Please, I am telling again and again, three things. Real, sorry, इक्वल है या डिस्टिंक्ट है, मतलब कि रूट सेम है या अलग अलग है. करेक्ट. फिर भी टॉल अबाउट रियल है या इमेजिनरी या कॉम्प्लेक्स है. अगर रियल है तो रैशनल है या इरेशनल है. यू टू राइट डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट्स और डिस्टिंक्ट रियल इरेशनल रूट्स. ओके, Vallabh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Explain what is A here.
A is 3.
B.
B is minus 10.
C.
C is 2.
B square.
B square is 9. So
100 है. B
4AC.
square 100 है.
Oh, हाँ.
4 into A
So
into C.
4AC is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. 24.
कितना आ रहा है? 76.
76.
Which is
Greater
more
than
than 0. तो रूल कौन सा? इक्वल होगा क्या डिस्टिंक्ट होगा?
this equal.
इक्वल तो सिर्फ इक्वल टू 0 होता है. अगर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इक्वल टू 0 आ रहा है गैस, तो होता है इक्वल.
Or distinct.
तो रूट होगा डिस्टिंक्ट मतलब कि अलग अलग, राइट?
Yes.
तो डिस्टिंक्ट. रियल होगा कि मोर देन 0 आ रहा है मतलब रियल रूट्स है. करेक्ट. और 76 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है तो इरेशनल है. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Let me write it here, the conditions. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0 है, So you will say equal and real roots. Clear है ये तो? अगर, because you are still confusing guys, I am still saying b square minus 4ac. If it is coming more than 0, so it would be distinct and real roots. अब उसमें रैशनल भी हो सकता है और इरेशनल भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन, अगर ये जो बी स्क्वायर 4ac परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो रैशनल हुआ, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं आ रहा है तो इरेशनल हुआ। और तीसरा कंडीशन है बी स्क्वायर, प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस, माइनस 4ac सॉरी बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज लेस देन 0, मतलब कि नेगेटिव आ रहा है। लेस देन 0 क्या होता है? नेगेटिव। So then you can say no real roots or you can say complex root. No real roots.
Imaginary, sir.
हाँ, वो कॉम्प्लेक्स में आ जाएगा, वो अगर केस हुआ तो तुम्हारे सिलेबस में नो रियल रूट्स है, कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स, कॉम्प्लेक्स या इमेजिनरी, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन की बी 0 है कि नहीं। करेक्ट?
Yes.
You have to decide in your syllabus whether roots are real or not. So in this case you will say no real roots, क्योंकि less than 0 आ रहा है। कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो सकता है, इमेजिनरी भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन बी। क्लियर एवरीवन? Anybody any doubt? Because I want you to solve still many questions because I am not getting the correct, I am not getting the answer which I expect from you. Next, Slesha, you are going to solve this. Then Gauri, then everyone will solve very quickly one question. Okay, Slesha? Y
Yes,
square y square plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Tell me, Slesha, you with me? Everybody do on chat. Slesha will do with me. Slesha, what is A?
4 e is equals to 1,
B is
2,
C
and c
is
is minus 3.
very
Minus 3.
wait, okay. B square minus 4ac. One second. What is B square?
B square is 4.
Very good. Minus 4 into A into C.
Minus 12. Minus 12, sir.
तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, राइट?
Yes.
तो कितना आ रहा है?
12 plus
16.
4 is 16.
तो
16
ये
is real.
बिकॉज
Distinct, real roots and rational.
डिस्टिंक्ट, क्योंकि मोर देन 0 आ रहा है। फिर
Yes.
तुमने बोला रैशनल बिकॉज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है।
Perfect square. 4.
रैशनल रियल रूट। कितना इजी है, राइट? वेरी गुड Slesha. That is how you have to do, guys. Thank you. Next, Gauri, ready? Who is there? Gauri, are you there? No, Gauri is not there. Gauri disconnected. Yashwant, you want to do it? कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है ये
Yes,
वाला। तो यशवंत, अगर तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन में चेंज कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे कर देता हूँ 2y स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे मैं कर देता हूँ 5y, और यहाँ पे मैं कर देता हूँ 10. टेल मी हाउ शुड सॉल्व इट? A is 2,
2,
B is
5,
and C is
minus 10,
correct. What is B square?
25,
Very good. Minus 4 into A into C. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 10,
8 into 10,
minus
80,
80,
plus
plus हो
80,
जाएगा। Very good.
plus 80.
तो कितना हो गया? 105.
1,
पहले
0,
तो बताओ रूट इक्वल होंगे या डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे?
distinct,
वेरी गुड. रैशनल होंगे?
irrational.
ओके, इरैशनल. वेरी गुड. बिकॉज गाइस 105 इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, और रियल रूट्स होंगे, राइट? बिकॉज मोर देन 0 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. वासु, यू आर राइट. रैशनल रूट मतलब परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हुआ तो रूट्स के अंदर ही रह जाएगा, राइट? वो तो इरैशनल नंबर बन जाएगा, राइट वासु? दैट्स व्हाई. Anybody, any question? Let's solve one last question, and before we move on to if I say y square minus 25 equal to 0, tell me now.
Sir, it will be complex, right?
Distinct and real root, sir.
Somebody saying complex, somebody saying distinct and real. क्या
Because
होगा?
No, sir,
B is
complex,
zero.
complex, sir.
Because sir, B is 0.
देखो a equal to
Sir, imagine.
सुनो a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to माइनस. देखो b equal to 0 में जब बोल रहा हूँ, जब वो कॉम्प्लेक्स में आ रहा है उसके बाद, अगर नहीं आ रहा है डायरेक्टली रियल आ रहा है तो फिर तो वेट, यू डोंट जंप ऑन. तो b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac कितना हो रहा है? 0 माइनस
100.
प्लस 100, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
4 इंटू ए इंटू सी, सी तो माइनस 25 है, तो प्लस 100 हो रहा है, तो ये क्या हुआ? ग्रेटर देन 0 हुआ ना?
It's a real, distinct, and
रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट और ऑब्वियसली
rational.
रैशनल, क्योंकि 100 हमारा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं, so guys, this is clear, it is not imaginary. Asta, it is not imaginary. You don't jump on, you have to see the value of this is coming more than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0, guys. उसके बाद b का देखो. But if I change this quotient to plus 25, तब क्या होने वाला है? a is 1, b is 0, c is plus 25. अब क्या होने वाला है?
Complex, sir.
अब यहाँ पे माइनस 100 हो जाएगा, मतलब कि माइनस 100 हो जाएगा. अब रूट क्या होंगे? माइनस 100 आ रहा है, मतलब कि रियल नहीं आ रहा है. नो रियल रूट्स, राइट? नो रियल रूट्स मतलब या तो कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा या फिर इमेजिनरी होगा. क्योंकि b 0 है तो रियल पार्ट तो कुछ नहीं होना है, इसलिए आएगा तुम्हारा इमेजिनरी रूट्स. पर इमेजिनरी में भी डिस्टिंक्ट ही आएगा, इमेजिनरी में हमें डिस्टिंक्ट ही आता है. When you solve it, you'll get root as, करके देखो क्या आता है. Let's solve this. So b square, okay, so root, let's solve it. So y equal to minus b, तो b तो 0 है, तो 0 प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, तो b स्क्वायर तो 0 हो गया, माइनस 4ac 100 हुआ, राइट एवरीबॉडी? बाय 2a, सो 2 ये होगा, ये तो 0 है, 0 माइनस 100 कितना होता है? माइनस 100. माइनस 100 का क्या होगा? 10i प्लस माइनस 10i. दिस इज फॉर क्लास 11 गाइस, डिवाइड बाय 2. तो जो तुम्हारे रूट्स आए वो क्या है? प्लस 5i एंड माइनस 5i. कौन से रूट्स है बताओ? ये दे आर डिस्टिंक्ट और नॉट? अलग अलग है.
Equal
Distinct
root.
and imaginary.
दे आर नॉट इक्वल. प्लस 5i माइनस 5 दोनों अलग है ना,
Oh,
प्लस
yes,
और माइनस.
sir. They are
इमेज, जब भी इमेजिनरी रूट्स आएंगे ना, इमेजिनरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लिसन केयरफुली, जब भी इमेजिनरी या कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स आएंगे, दे विल ऑलवेज बी डिस्टिंक्ट. इट कैन नेवर हैपन दैट कि कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स आ रहे हैं या इमेजिनरी रूट्स आ रहे हैं, दे आर इक्वल. इट कैन नेवर हैपन बिकॉज़ दे ऑलवेज ऑकर इन पेयर्स. दैट इज द रूल.
So, sir, if we
Complex
get,
roots always happen in pairs. Tell me please.
So, sir, if we get this type of answer, can we write no real roots?
Yes, actually you should write this only in your class 10th. Class 11th में लिखोगे. Class 10th में you only write this. No real roots.
Okay, sir.
Clear everyone? Is everyone, anyone any still doubt? Okay, do one thing. Any one of you write me any random equation. We'll find any random equation, write on chat and tell me. We'll do it quickly. We'll find natural roots. Any random equation. 2x square minus 5x plus 10. Let's do this Drew's equation. 2x square. Everybody find the answer. We are going to solve together. Minus 5x plus 10. ये तुम्हारा a है, ये तुम्हारा b है, ये तुम्हारा c है. b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. b स्क्वायर तो 25 हो गया. माइनस 4 इंटू 2 8 इंटू 10 80, ये तुम्हारा आ रहा है माइनस 55। किस टाइप का रूट होगा बताओ?
Sir,
नो रियल
imaginary
रूट्स,
and
करेक्ट, नो रियल रूट्स। इमेजिनरी नहीं होगा, B0 नहीं है ना, कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट होगा। नो रियल रूट्स यू कैन डायरेक्टली से। ओके, अब अगर और ज्यादा देखना है तो विल फाइंड आउट दिस रूट्स आर कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट, दैट्स इट। Shlesha said 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So Shlesha do that, b square minus 4ac. ये last question है guys, because I want to do couple of word problems also now after this. So that's my last question on this. b square minus इसका square 36. Minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 2 12, 12 into 3 36. तो 0 हो गया। किस टाइप का रूट आएगा Shlesha and everyone?
Equal root, sir.
इक्वल रूट आएंगे और
Rational.
रियल आएंगे
Real and rational.
और
Real and more. What is that?
और ऑब्वियसली रैशनल आएंगे, राइट?
Rational, sir. Doesn't matter.
हाँ, you said I know. Rational. Very easy, everybody.
Yes.
Good. So now let's do one word problem, one or two word problem. And we have 15-20 minutes remaining. Let's do one or two word problems. How we use this nature of roots to solve problems. If I say, is it possible to design a rectangular groove, mango groove, whose length is twice the breadth and area is 800 square meter. So before solving question yes or no, we have to solve and make equation with. It's a length is twice the breadth. चलो length को मैं L मानता हूं, तो L equal to 2B, correct? Area is 800. L times B is 800. तो क्या करना है हमको? We have to form an equation. I'll substitute L equal to 2B. So 2B
2b into b square.
into B equal to
B square.
800. Correct? So it
Yes.
becomes 2B square equal to 800. So B square equal to 400. So B equal to, if you take square root both, B equal to plus minus 20. B cannot be negative because it is a length. So B equal to 20. So it is possible. Why? Because we are getting the
L
real
equal to
number.
40.
So B equal to 40, L equal to, B equal to 20, L equal to 40. So it is possible because we are getting the real numbers everywhere. So you will say, yeah, it is possible. Now let's try another question. If I change the question, is it possible to design a rectangular groove whose area is 400 and whose perimeter is कितना है 80 meter. So let's see how we'll solve this. Perimeter means क्या होता है? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. तो होता है perimeter, correct?
Yes, sir.
Perimeter होता है length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. ये तुम्हारा हो गया perimeter. कितना दिया है वो? 80. तो सॉल्व करोगे तो इक्वेशन क्या बन गया इसका? L plus B equal to 40. सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है? Area is 400. L times B is 400. Let's solve the equation. How? Substitute the value of either L or B from here. We'll substitute L equal to 40 minus B. So L मतलब कितना है? 40 minus B into B equal to 400. Open the bracket, 40B minus B squared equal to 400. Or if I write this equation in a standard form, my equation will be B squared minus 40b plus 400 equal to 0. This is my standard equation. If I compare this with, I'll use the quadratic formula directly to solve this. देखा जाए तो ये मेरा A है, ये मेरा B है, ये मेरा C है. We'll calculate b square minus 4ac first. Okay, everybody, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 40 का square 1600 minus 4 into 1 into 4 1600. Good.
Equal, sir.
We
Equal
are
and
getting equal.
rational.
Real roots and equal and obviously rational. So possible है. So I'll directly solve b equal to quadratic formula लगा के minus b. So minus b मतलब minus minus plus 40, right?
Yes.
Plus minus b square minus 4ac तो 0 हो रहा है, right?
0.
By 2a. तो b मेरा आ रहा है 20. If b is 20, my L also will be
20.
20. So L is 20, B is 20. हो गया सॉल्व ना? अगर suppose you listen carefully guys, अगर suppose in all this kind of question अगर तुम्हारा ये negative आता है, then you will say not possible to draw. Any question like this, if you get negative, you will say it is impossible because it is imaginary root. See, imaginary is only imaginary, it is not real roots. Means really it is not possible. So all these word problems, if you get your equation which is in 10 to b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then you will say it is not possible. Clear? Any question? Let's try this question, everybody, and tell me is it possible or not. It said sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Four years ago, product of their age was 48. Is it possible? And if possible, then find the ages of the both friends. Tell me how will you do it? Everybody try this, please. Tell me answers. How will you solve it? Slesha, कैसे करेंगे?
for
Sir,
the
we will
first
take
case-
y plus x equal to 20.
Sum of ages of two friends is 20. दो ले लेते हैं x plus y.
X plus y equal to 20.
20. ठीक है. 4 years ago.
Then x y
X का
equal
4
to
year, x का 4 years ago कितना होगा? X minus 4.
x minus 4 and y minus 4.
Right, everybody? And this product
equal
is
to 40.
48. अब पहले इसको
Y
ओपन
equal to
करेंगे.
26, sir.
Sorry.
Y equal to 20 minus 6.
हाँ, वो करेंगे सॉल्व, इसमें लिखेंगे हम लोग अभी. So
Yes.
x minus 4. No, she is saying substitute y equal to 20 minus x. तो y के बदले
Yes.
हो गया 20 minus x. और minus 4 तो ऑलरेडी है. So my equation becomes this. और दिस बिकम x minus 4. 20 minus 4 तो 16 हो गया. This is my equation now.
Yes, sir.
Open it. Open the bracket and form a proper quadratic. So x into 16, 16x.
20x minus 18
रुको
minus.
रुको 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 स्टेप बाय स्टेप बोलो श्लेषा, सब लोग हैं. x into 16, 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x. करेक्ट है श्लेषा?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर तो ऐसे लिख दो पहले.
Minus x square.
फिर क्या बचा? 16x plus 4x 20x.
20.
फिर क्या बचा? माइनस 64 और वो माइनस भी इधर आ गया 48. कितना होता है? 112 इक्वल टू 0. करेक्ट?
Yes.
अब एवरीथिंग आई टू पुट द राइट साइड. तो माइनस बन गया प्लस, प्लस बन गया माइनस, माइनस बन गया प्लस. यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट और यू शिफ्ट द होल इक्वेशन टू राइट साइड. So final equation is x squared minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Right, Slasha?
Yes.
So let's solve. This is my a is 1, b is minus 20, c is 112. इस बार डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करेंगे. x इक्वल टू माइनस b, तो
Minus b means 20
प्लस 20
plus 20.
प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 400 is b square. Correct?
400, yes.
Minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 112 448.
4.
Agree?
Yes.
By something. अब इन सबको भूल जाओ. पहले देखना है कि रियल आएंगे इमेजिनरी आएंगे. तो जस्ट कैलकुलेट दिस.
48.
कितना आएगा?
Minus
माइनस
48.
48. माइनस 48 मतलब क्या हो रहा है?
Irrational.
रूट रियल नहीं है.
Or irrational. है.
हाँ, because b square minus 4ac is coming less than 0, right guys?
Yes.
So roots are not real. मतलब कि this is not possible. Listen carefully. That is the point. It means this situation is not possible because you're not getting real roots. क्योंकि वो less than 0 आ रहा है. minus 40. Complex root आएंगे. Which is not real. That is the usefulness of finding the nature of roots. Is everyone clear? Nature roots say if you're not getting real roots, then problem cannot be solved. This kind of problem. It is all in some mathematical research. We use all this imaginary all. In real, that's why we call it not real. Any question, anyone? No, we have 5 to 7 minutes. Tell me, anybody want anything on quadratic, any question type? We'll discuss now. Any doubt? Anything you want to discuss? Any kind of equation? Please tell me. We'll complete this quadratic today, and next we'll start with the what is new chapter then? We are going to start with AP, arithmetic progressions. Okay. So anybody, any question, anyone you want to solve with me? Any one question? Tell me. Any type here, we'll do it. बताओ बताओ फटाफट. किसने नहीं किया सॉल्व मेरे साथ? Yeah, Asta. Tell me. Asta, are you saying something?
Sir, I was asking if may I?
Yes, please. What do you want to solve? Tell me. 3y square minus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. बताओ nature of roots, Asta. How will you solve with me? Tell me. Everybody solve on chat. Asta will solve with me.
A equals 3.
Correct.
B equals minus 5.
Correct.
C equals
Minus 1. Correct. Where did you went? Tell me what is b square minus what is b square?
so it will be 25 minus
4 into 3 into minus 1.
so sir 25 plus 1.
Why plus 1? 4ac.
Sorry, plus
तो ये आया 37. मतलब कि आया more
so
than
it will
0.
be real and
So
distinct.
first of all more than 0 आया तो distinct हो गया. ठीक है. Greater than 0 आया तो real भी हो गया. अब rational है कि irrational है?
Rational.
ना. कैसे पता पड़ता है आस्था? 37 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है क्या?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
Asta. Clear है Asta? Vallabh, Slesha, Yashwant, Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
are you all absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Vasu, so clear है बिल्कुल. I want you to make, see, before you go out from the class, you should be crystal clear कि sir, quadratic equation, you give any question, we'll solve it like that. I want that kind of conviction. Acha, I'll give you one equation now. Let's see who will solve it. Okay. The equation is 3x square minus 2x. You tell me nature of roots. And plus 1 by 3. Just tell me nature of roots equal to 0. Solve, everybody tell me what will be the nature of roots.
Sir, it will be equal, real, and rational.
Very good. Is it? Good. Equal real roots, rational, good. Real equal rational, Asta. Everybody else, ये मेरा A हो गया, ये मेरा B minus 2 हो गया, C मेरा 1 by 3 हुआ. तो B square minus 4 AC. B square तो 4 हो गया. Minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. फिर 4 हो गया. Lucky. 0. तो equal rational real root. Yes, very good. चलो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Okay? Let's see how many you can do this. 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equal to 0. Tell me. Nature of roots only.
Sir, it will be an
Sir, it
complex.
is equal and
ठीक है, चैट पे लिखो सब लोग. नहीं तुझे पता नहीं पड़ेगा कौन क्या बोल रहा है.
sir, maybe they are equal and rational.
I don't know, you write it. ध्रुव कैसे करेंगे इसको बताओ.
Sir, A is
A तो 3 हो गया.
and B is
minus 4 root 3.
yes, sir.
और C तो 4 है. ठीक है. तो B स्क्वायर कितना होगा गाइस? B स्क्वायर 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 into 4 16. Root 3 into root 3 3. 16 into 3 48. B स्क्वायर 48 होगा, राइट? ध्रुव करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
4 root 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 root 3. 4 into 4 16 होता है. Root 3 into root 3 कितना होता है? 3, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So 16 into 3. सर मैं ध्रुव में क्या कर रहा हूँ? 4 root 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 root 3. कैसे करोगे? ये 4 into 4 16.
Yes, sir.
और root 3 कितना होता है?
Sir, 9. No,
3
no,
होता है.
3 only.
तो 16 into 3 कितना हुआ?
48.
That is why 48. ये तो b square तो 48 आया. Minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 4 48. Again guys, you are lucky. You
Yes, sir,
got
it
equal
will
to
be
0.
equal,
Roots
real
are
and
equal,
rational.
real and rational. Very good. जब 0 आया था तो obviously rational ही होना है. और equal हो गया. Very easy everyone. Tell me, do you learn today's class? Because it's all about how you form the nature of roots. All type of roots you can find very easily, and this is also asked in the higher level competitive exams also. Even in CAT they ask this nature of roots. You will not believe. In CAT exam, one of the toughest exam, they ask nature of roots, different kind of equations. Okay. So tell me everybody before we close, how was the class today? And we are done.
Sir, enjoyed it.
Enjoyed it.
Yes,
Super.
sir.
Yes, sir. Enjoyed it.
Lesha, Vallabh.
Yes, sir. It was interesting.
So interesting. Asta, are you there?
Yes, sir, it was good.
Good. So thank you guys. See you next Saturday. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Yashwant.
Bye,
yeah.
sir.
Thank you, Yashwant.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.